Okay, we've got today some crab claws, and I'm going to show you how we take the meat out of them. First of all, you boil them, let them cool down, and you just basically grab them and twist them like this. Oh, this one's lucky because you've got the big bit of meat there. And then use a spoon, normal teaspoon, like this, and I just get all the meat off like this. Get off that. And if you're going to eat it yourselves, there's no harm in using your fingers if you're going to do it yourself. That's that bit. And if the meat doesn't come off properly, you can get it in here, just flick it out like this. Flick it out with your spoon. This bit here, the hard bit, you either take it outside and hit it with something like a hammer, or else you can do it in your hand like this to boil it properly. That's that side cracked. That's that side cracked. Take it apart. That's the meat in here. Like I say, if you're doing it yourself and you're boiling it yourself, just grab it with your finger and thumb. Just slide it off like that. And that's your crab claw done. So I've got more of these to do. Once I do these, I'll probably have a good plate of stuff and make a nice little omelette out of it. There you go. Okay. Alright, I managed to get these crab claws cleaned. I got that much out of the claws I had, which is more than enough. I'm going to make an omelette now. Start off with a bit of egg. Pan's already hot. Pop it in. Just like that. And I'm going to pop the meat from the claws in. Spin it around. Couple of small tomatoes. And a bit of cheese. Spread that around. Ooh, a bit melted on the side. And a bit of salt. Not too much. And a bit of paprika. I've got in the van, so I'm going to put a bit of paprika on too. There's the dog's getting excited. I do like a bit of paprika on food, so that should be enough. It'll take us a couple of minutes. I'm ready to rock and roll. Well, that's it done. Omelette's cooked. Took about, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes. Let's use in the pan there. A nice big thickie that'll feed in really. Looking really good. So, take it out. On the plate. That's it. That is my lunch, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's nice and warm, piping hot. Oh, nice. Oh.